Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. Now there are two ways to do it. The first one is to upgrade your current OS, or the next one is to do a clean installation. Today I am going to show you how to do a clean installation. Let's start. So what you're going to do is you go into the description below and click on the link which will get you to this site, this page. Just download the file over here, which is an Windows 10's ISO file. Now, to do a clean installation, what you need is to make that ISO file a bootable file on your pen drive or on a CD. I have already made it on a CD. If you're not knowing it, I'll put down a new link in the description which will show you how to do a bootable pen drive or a bootable CD. Okay, and as mentioned below, if you are doing an upgrade of Windows, what you want to do is just open the setup, double click on it and install it how you install another softwares and everything in Windows. It's the same thing. Now restart your PC and put in your CD. Now what you're going to do is you go into your boot menu, which is by clicking F12 or F8 and select the drive, the CD or the pen drive. Okay, so let it boot. Okay, now this is Windows 10's new logo. Now wait for it to get into the setup. Okay, now the setup appears. It is the same as it's on XP. It's ever since the same. What you want to do is just select the language you want to install it in and what currency and time and what format of keyboard you want to do. I will keep it default. Just click on next, click on install. Now let the setup begin. Okay, now the license and terms and conditions of Windows appears. Just click on accept and just click on next again. Now what you're going to do is just select on customs and select or format the drives or partition you want to install your Windows on. Now this is my previous hard drive, which is of 500 gigs. I'm gonna delete it as I'm doing a clean installation, so let me do that. Okay, this is the drive now. What I'm going to do is create new partition so that I could install Windows on. Now I'll select this partition because I'm going to divide it into two parts, as one of 100 GB to install my OS on and another of rest whatever is remaining just to store my data. Now what I'm going to do is I'll format these two partitions again just to be safe and make it a clean install. Okay, after that just select the drive or the partition wherever you want to install your Windows on. In my case this is the 97 gigs Wala file, and just click on next. Now this is the installation screen of Windows. It would probably take a little while, so just sit back and relax. I'll get back to you after this is done. Okay, now the Windows screen boot up and it showed the Windows 10 logo again. Now basically there's not much to do from here, so just relax and let it do whatever it's doing. Okay, now the PC restarted again and the Windows logo appeared once again. Now this is the time where probably you have to set your desktop and your account to log in your Windows, as since Windows 8 Windows has started this trend that you have to log in with your account for the first time you're installing your Windows. So this is basically what things you want on your Windows 10, so I'll just keep it default. If you want to change it, just click on customize and change as you want, but I would recommend just click on express settings. That is the default and the best thing to go on. let the process go. Now what it's going to do is it's going to basically want you to sign in your Windows like Microsoft account and everything. So the screen that would appear right now would be the login screen, as I hope. Yep, it is a login screen of Microsoft. Now what you're going to do is just input your email ID and password of your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, don't worry, just click on create a new account and go ahead. Just click create a new account. Just input your name and every detail of yours and just click on next and make it as you will make a Gmail account. It's that simple. I'm going to I have an ID of mine, so I'll just go and input that and just click on next. Okay, now what you probably need is your phone besides you, so that it needs to verify your account. So it will send you an code that you have to enter over here. So I'll enter my code and just click on next. Okay, the setup has just finished and restarted again. It says hi, as it's a new thing going on from Windows 8 and all. Now what it's going to do is it just set up my desktop and install few essential apps of Windows on my PC. One thing to keep in mind is that while this setup is going on, don't ever turn off your PC, as it's mentioned over there also, and it is a logical thing that when the setup is going on, if you shut down your PC, it will completely crash and you have to begin from scratch again. So you probably don't want to do that. Okay, now it's a successful install. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts and queries, just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.